Hello, it's Miss Hake back with some numeracy, and we're continuing with our 2D shapes. We have two more 2D shapes that have joined the party. One is a hexagon, and one looks like something in the sky. Diamond, and it's called a rhombus. Can you try that? Rhombus. So we've got a hexagon and a rhombus. Hexagon, how many sides does a hexagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. And my rhombus looks like my square, but just on a tilt. Very cool. So you are going to practice making these shapes today and printing the word hexagon and rhombus. We can add that to our shape book that we've been creating. Hexagon and rhombus. So we can make them out of Play-Doh. I'm going to actually just fill my hexagon in because that might be cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Beautiful. And my rhombus looks like a diamond, doesn't it? I might just want to squish it down. Squish it down. And I know that I'm just going to have a straight line, a straight line, a straight line, and a straight line. So I kind of used what I had on hand to create that shape. Pretty cool, eh? Haha, it kind of fits into my drawing. So then I'm going to take my pencil or my highlighter or my crayon, and I'm going to practice tracing the word hexagon. Ha, ha, ha. Down and around, over and around, X, A, G, on, hexagon. I did it. Now rhombus's turn. R, rhombus. Very cool. So now you have all of these shapes in your collection. Can you go find something that looks like a rhombus? Can you go find something that looks like a hexagon? Now you can take all of your words that we have been doing. You could scramble up your actual shapes and see if you can match them all. So welcome to 2D shapes, hexagon and rhombus, and have lots of fun making your hexagon and your rhombuses, printing your words, and scrambling up all the shapes and see if you can match them to your name today. All right, we will see you soon. Bye.